Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many Excel users encounter when trying to convert a list of numbers into feet and inches. The issue arises when attempting to format the data in such a way that it displays correctly. Let's dive into the details of this particular problem and explore a clever solution to overcome it. So, let's talk about the solution to the problem we just discussed. By using a specific formula in Excel, we can effectively convert the numbers into feet and inches format without any leading zeros. The key here is to leverage the text function in Excel with the formula provided. This approach allows us to split the data into two parts, formatting them separately to achieve the desired result. Remember, the solution is all about working smart, not hard. Building on a previous solution, another way to tackle this problem is by utilizing a non-standard time format in Excel. By combining the quotient and mod functions with the specified values, we can transform the numbers into the desired feet in inches format while keeping the leading zeros at bay. The trick here is in understanding how to manipulate the data effectively to present it in the desired format. Sometimes, unconventional solutions yield the best results. Continuing with our exploration of creative solutions, we can refine the display by applying a custom format to the converted numbers. By using the specific format ms.0 \, we can neatly present the data as minutes and seconds, complete with fractions. This customized format allows for a more polished and visually appealing presentation of the information. Remember, the devil is in the details, and a little formatting can go a long way in Excel. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the problem of converting numbers into feet in inches format in Excel while suppressing any leading zeros. By creatively utilizing Excel functions in custom formats, we've achieved a clean and accurate representation of the data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy Excel, ing.